Welcome to our Intellect Products channel. Review of the Google Pixel 8, the latest smartphone engineered by Google. I'm excited to share with you the impressive features that make this phone stand out. The Google Pixel 8 is powered by the new Google Tensor G3 chip. Custom designed with Google AI, this means cutting-edge photo and video capabilities, smarter assistance, and seamless performance. Whether you're capturing memories or tackling tasks, the Pixel 8 has you covered. Let's talk about the camera. The Pixel 8 boasts a fully upgraded camera system with advanced image processing. Vivid colors and striking details come to life. And the new macro focus feature lets you capture even the tiniest subjects. Plus, the 6.2-inch Pixel 8 Actua display delivers sharp visuals and rich colors, perfect for gaming, scrolling, and multitasking. Switching to the Pixel 8 is a breeze. Connect your old phone, transfer your essentials, and enjoy the seamless experience. Thanks for tuning into our Google Pixel 8 review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Remember, the Google Pixel 8 is more than just a phone, it's your reliable companion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for encouraging watch description for details.